A lot of people think learning resin takes months. They watch a few videos, get overwhelmed by all the techniques, and never actually start. But here's the thing nobody tells you. You don't need months. You need a weekend. That's it. 2 days, and you can go from never touching resin before to having 15 different crafts finished and sitting in front of you. And I'm not talking about rough first attempts either. I'm talking about pieces good enough to actually sell. So if you've been putting off starting because it feels like too much to learn, stick around, because today I'm walking you through all 15. Let's start with number 1, resin hair clips. This is your warm-up project. You're pouring a small, flat shape and attaching hardware, which teaches you the basics of a clean pour without much room for things to go wrong. Cost to make is under $1 each once you've got your supplies. Sell price is $10 to $18. Get the pour smooth here, and you'll carry that skill into everything else this weekend. Number 2, resin candle holders. Now you're working with a taller mold, which means learning how resin behaves when it's not just sitting flat. You'll get your first real lesson in layering here, building up color gradually instead of pouring everything at once. Cost to make runs $3 to $6. Sell price is $20 to $35. These also teach you about heat safety early, since anything holding a flame needs a stable, well-cured base. Number 3. Resin drawer knobs. Small, round, and deceptively tricky because getting a perfectly domed top without bubbles takes a bit more care than a flat pour. This is where you start really watching your mix for air. Cost is under $1 per knob. Sell price is $6 to $12 each, and people buy these in full sets of 6 or 8, which adds up fast. Number 4. Resin night lights. Here, you're working with a light source embedded in the piece, so you're learning how color looks different when it's lit from behind versus lit from above. It's a small shift, but it changes how you think about pigment. Cost to make is $4 to $7. Sell price is $25 to $40. These sell especially well as nursery or kids' room decor. Number 5. Resin succulent planters. Now you're pouring something functional that holds soil and water, which means thinking about sealing properly for the first time. Get the inside coat right, and this becomes one of the sturdier pieces on your table. Cost is around $5 to $8. Sell price is $30 to $50, especially when paired with a small plant already inside for the listing photo. Number 6. Resin soap dishes. This project teaches drainage and slope, since a soap dish that pools water isn't actually usable. You're learning to think past just how something looks into how it actually functions day to day. Cost to make is $3 to $5. Sell price is $18 to $28. Bathroom decor sells steadily because people replace it more often than you'd think. Now, here's the thing about day 2. You've already built real fundamentals. Day 2 is where the projects start asking a little more of you. Number 7. Resin wind chimes. This is your first project working with multiple hanging pieces that need to move independently, which means thinking about balance and weight distribution in a way flat pieces never require. Cost runs $6 to $10 for a full chime. Sell price is $35 to $60. These do especially well at craft fairs because people can hear them before they even see them. Number 8. Resin business card holders. A small, precise mold that teaches you to pour clean right angles, which is a different skill than the rounded shapes you've been working with. Cost to make is $2 to $4. Sell price is $15 to $25. This one's a favorite with small business owners furnishing a home office. Number 9. Resin desk organizers. Now you're combining multiple compartments in a single pour, which means managing more surface area and more curing time without letting sections dry unevenly. Cost is $6 to $9. Sell price is $30 to $50. These photograph well as a styled desk setup, which helps a lot when you're selling online. Number 10. Resin light switch covers. This project teaches precision cutouts since you're working around a fixed shape that has to line up exactly once it's installed. Cost to make is $2 to $3 each. Sell price is $12 to $20. Sell them in sets of 2 or 3 for an easy bundle. Number 11. Resin badge reels. Small and simple, but this is where you practice attaching mechanical hardware to a finished resin piece, which is a skill that carries into a lot of other projects. Cost is under $1. Sell price is $8 to $14. Teachers, nurses, and office workers are a steady repeat audience for these. Number 12. Resin cake toppers. Here, you're pouring detailed small shapes, letters, numbers, little figures, which sharpens your precision even further. Cost to make is $3 to $5. Sell price is $20 to $35, more for custom names or dates. Weddings and birthdays keep this one in demand all year. Number 13. Resin Geode Wall Art. This is your technique project for the weekend. You're layering colors, tilting the piece, and building up crystal-like edges, which takes real practice to get looking clean. Cost runs $10 to $18 depending on size. Sell price is $60 to $120. This is the piece that makes people stop scrolling and ask who made it. Number 14. Resin Wine Stoppers. A tiny mold, but a tight one, which means this is where your precision work from earlier in the weekend actually gets tested. Cost to make is under $1. Sell price is $12 to $14. These are easy add-on sales next to a bigger gift item. Number 15. Resin Sun Catchers. Your finale project, and it uses almost everything you've picked up. Clean pores, color layering, and a finish that has to look good with light passing straight through it. Cost to make is $3 to $6. Sell price is $25 to $40. Finish your weekend with this one and hang it somewhere you'll actually see how far you've come since that first hair clip on Saturday morning.